Perks of marrying into Gujarati family.
रोज 4 बजे उठा रहा है आदि। मुझे वेकेशन करना था, मुझे चिल करना था। आदित्य हमें लेके आया सिमेट्री पे।
हनुमान चालीसा लो द रेस्क्यू। सेकंड बच्चा क्यों किया मेरे भाई?
We have the worst rooms possible. The room is shaking.
अपने गेटवे से मांडवा तक की फेरी. You got that half right. Oh my god.
Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone.
Welcome to our channel.
And welcome to the Egypt vlog. Finally.
Yes, after a month we are finally uploading the Egypt vlog.
Only because there was so much footage. It was such a long trip, and you guys are going to be seeing 2 parts of this very trip. So basically, before we start, we want to give you guys kind of like an intro ki kyun ye trip hua, kaise hua, all of that.
So in December, Mridul's mom and dad had their 30th wedding anniversary. So for that, we were anyway planning to go on an international trip. There were a lot of different locations that we had in mind, like Thailand, Bali, Dubai, all of those. Singapore. But her dad wanted to do something hatke. Offbeat destination jana tha. And he was the one who came up with the plan for Egypt.
Yeah.
And I was more than happy. It's been my dream country since I was a child. So
Yeah.
I was like, yes, let's go, done.
So Egypt, as Aditya mentioned, बहुत ही अलग जगह था. तो बहुत सारा research guys में, especially Aditya का, he's done all the work in terms of like research and like figuring out कैसे जाना है, कहाँ जाना है, सारा itinerary Aditya ने बनाया है. Itinerary की बात कर रही हूँ, इसके लिए I do want to say that this vlog is not like a travel vlog that you usually see on my channel. It's a very like fun family vlog, which is why we're posting it on this channel. Like जो proper travel videos होते हैं, जो मेरे style के होते हैं, वो मेरे channel पे जाते हैं. ये वाला बहुत ही family vlog है. Like there is
Initially it did start off थोड़ा मृदुल शर्मा angle में.
because it was supposed to go on my channel.
Yes, but
so
then,
you will see that the first half of the vlog is very like aesthetic-ish.
Yes.
But then halfway through it,
we realized कि there's a lot of fun happening with the family angle, which we won't be able to keep if it's like a proper travel vlog.
Yeah.
So we decided let's just scrap it and let's just post it on Mridul and Aditya because it's a fun family vlog.
Correct. So anyway, coming back to the vacation. So who ended up going? Us two, Adya and Mayur, Aditya's parents and my parents. So it was the 8 of us going on this vacation. It was the first time ever that we were going on like a family trip, like after we got married. उसके पहले भी हम सिर्फ ऋषिकेश गए थे. But yeah, so that is what ended up happening. But that's not it. So other than just stopping at gifting them this vacation for all 4 of us, all 4 of our parents, we also wanted to add a cherry on the top.
We decided to fly our parents business class to Egypt and they
ये
were...
भी आदित्य का idea था.
Yes, मेरा idea था and all of them were very happy. You'll see the reactions.
Oh yeah, we have their reactions. We'll play it here. So, in December, we are going to Egypt, right?
Yeah.
And we have upgraded your tickets to business class. Yeah, that's the news.
क्यों but?
ऐसे just. Happy Diwali!
Diwali gift, wedding gift सब.
Oh.
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh wow. आदित्य.
So माहिती आहे आपण डिसेंबर मध्ये इजिप्तला जातोय. सो मी तुमचे अपग्रेड केले टू बिझनेस क्लास.
Wow.
जस्ट ॲज दिवाळी गिफ्ट.
अरे बापरे.
काय जरूरत होती?
पण तो मग सगळे जणच का आपल्या
तुम्ही चौघच फक्त. आई बाबा माझे मम्मी पप्पा.
Thank you.
Welcome.
लोकांना दिवाळी गिफ्ट.
पण मग नंतर परत कधी आम्ही इकॉनॉमी मध्ये बसणार.
Correct. Agreed. So yeah, that was a very long intro, but it was needed. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog.
Yes.
But there's a part 2 which is even crazier.
It's coming very soon.
Yeah, आज ये देख लो, बहुत ही जल्द part 2 भी आएगा. We just landed in Egypt. Are you excited?
Very much. To be with family, the whole family, and to be in Egypt.
What about you, Adi? Lifelong dream. Fulfilling now.
Since 4th standard. बचपन से इस लड़के ने हमें इजिप्ट, पिरामिड, स्फिंक्स, तुतनखामेन इतना सुनाया है ना, पढ़ता था सुनाता था, पढ़ता था सुनाता था.
आज दिखाएगा. So right now, ideally, I should be doing a room tour, but we don't have a room. I don't know how, but we literally don't have a room. The payment was done for the rooms, but then they're saying that they haven't received the money, so they can't give us the room. It's booked out. Something, I don't know. There's some scam happening. We're not sure exactly what's happening. So we're scouting rooms around our area because we have like 16 suitcases. So it would be ideal to find something nearby. I mean, I think it's a good thing because the hotel that we had booked, like when we are seeing it in person, we didn't really like it. So right now we're getting to like see the rooms before we like pay the money and make our bookings. But I just feel bad because ऐसा कभी भी हमारे साथ नहीं हुआ है. And we're here with our parents, and then of course they're so tired after this long journey. So we've made them like sit in the lobby of that hotel, and now we're just like scouting different hotel rooms. Okay, so this hotel is gorgeous, but unfortunately, it's full on our dates. In case you ever come to Giza, you could maybe stay here because it's looking so nice. It has the most stunning view of the pyramids, and everyone's very nice. But they have another hotel that they're gonna show us. Hopefully, we get it there. We've managed to find a hotel, and this is how we're going, squeezed into cabs with so much luggage. But we found a nice hotel, I think. So that's the only thing that counts. How many hotels have we been to? We thought.
I think आज हमारी इजिप्ट की ट्रिप खत्म हो चुकी है.
भाई ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार.
हमने 3 hotels बदल लिए हैं.
3 से भी ज़्यादा. Another cab with lots of saman. We're going to, I don't even know hotel number. What do you have to say? Yeah, we've been traveling since last night 4 o'clock. अभी बजे है 7 या 6:30. Okay, I think this is the final hotel that we're gonna be staying in. यहाँ का special mango drink. Happy to report that we have a room now. This is the hotel called Pyramid Front. It does have the view of the pyramids. Quick room tour. Okay, so as soon as you enter, you have this nice big bed and also a single bed. यहाँ पर है पूरा TV unit, dressing table. यहाँ पे है cupboards, and then we have the bathroom. Price wise also it's pretty good, and the rooms are clean, which is the most important thing at this point because every room so far that we saw was not like clean. Aesthetic और वो सब तो secondary है, but ठीक है. We found our room, and now we can finally kind of relax, and I'll see you in a bit. I'm going to take a shower and I'll see you. Hello, welcome to the next day. Last night I just slept off after taking a bath. Today is going to be a very, very fun and exciting day because we're going to be going and visiting the pyramids. We've been seeing pyramids from all angles while traveling. Yesterday, what did I just see? But we're going to be going in. We have a tour guide. We've booked a proper bus for all days because it's a lot of people traveling. It's our parents also together. So we have like a big bus that's booked along with a tour. This is what our bus looks like. Adi is super busy listening to his Egyptian videos on YouTube. How excited are you?
Very excited. Finally, after
Lifelong dream.
lifelong dream, many years. But the moment is here. Me, Adu and May have decided to skip on going inside because it's very narrow and it's kind of hot, a little bit claustrophobic, but everyone else, all of our parents are very enthusiastic. So they've gone up. It's quite a climb, and if you're claustrophobic, I would not recommend you to do this because the passage inside, like the passage that gets you inside, the height is really low. Like you'll have to crouch a lot, and it's very narrow as well. But after that passage, it's pretty open. After that, it's just a steep climb upwards. Also, there are no steps as such. These are the kind of steps like this. There's a plank of wood and a block on that. You have to climb a lot of these. Literally inside the pyramid. So
All done looking at the pyramids, the Sphinx as well, and it is so beautiful. It, you know, like how there's that Instagram filter which is called Cairo, and it's like a yellowish tint. Yahan pe, it's like in like real life, and it's beautiful. It's huge, and it makes you think how they did it. It's incredible. अब shopping हो रही है यहाँ पे full on.
Because we didn't want to walk all the way around, हमने शॉर्टकट यहाँ से चढ़ के निकल रहे हैं सब ड्रेसेस और सब में. वाओ, लवली. वाओ, बॉर्डर क्रॉसिंग.
Oh my god. Perks of traveling with your parents. There's always snacks and food around. Thepla.
Perks of marrying into Gujarati family.
आदित्य की पढ़ाई शुरू हो गई है फिर से. Why are you doing this, Baba?
Just
Brushing up your memory so that you can tell us everything about it.
yeah. Show off.
Oh, by the way, where are we going? Please tell everyone.
Tomorrow we are going to Alexandria.
No, right now where are we going? अच्छा, okay. But अभी जा रहे हैं?
The museum, Egyptian museum.
We've made it to the museum. There's also something known as perfumes and ancient Egypt. I'm excited. Real life mummy. It's so cool but also very creepy. Made it to lunch at 5.
स्प्लिट ये वाला साइड
मार्केट,
जिसको मार्केट जाना है
और जिसको होम जाना है वो इधर पे आओ.
इधर
इक्वल. मैं डिसाइड करूं? वो नहीं, ऑलरेडी जीत गए. नहीं मुझे तो घर ही जाना है.
तू बता, तेरा फाइनल.
अरे बट ऑलरेडी जीत गए, इधर 4 लोग हैं. Hello and welcome to day 2. It took us 3 hours to get to the place that we are right now. Aditya's gonna quickly explain what we're doing for today.
So we are at Alexandria today, and the itinerary for today is we're gonna visit the library here.
Which is why I'm looking all like nerdy.
Then we're visiting the catacombs, and we are also visiting the citadel of Kaitli. And the first place that we are at is the catacombs, so we'll give you all the information about that in a bit.
All of these things have been on Aditya's bucket list for a while, so he's properly curated an itinerary according to him, and all of us just follow him around.
Catacomb, it means a big cemetery, or the only cemetery here in this area.
Oh my god.
Actually, we discovered this place by chance.
So basically, Aditya हमें लेके आया cemetery पे.
Catacombs are basically underground graveyards kind of a thing.
Yeah, so that's what I just said. I mean, I know it's a historically very famous site, but I'm a little scared. What about you, Adu?
I'm not scared. Hanuman Chalisa to the rescue.
Here we have
We look scary, but basically there's this one point under a dome where you're supposed to stand, and if you talk, your voice apparently changes.
Yeah, it sounds different because the Roman general who is buried here, he basically wanted to make it seem as if like he was talking to people from the dead, like from his afterlife. So the priest would just stand at that spot and talk to his family members or anyone outside, and they would feel like it's him talking from the afterlife.
So we're gonna try that. Okay, go Adi.
Hello, hello, hello.
मतलब मुझे तो सेम ही लग रहा है.
एको हो रहा है तो आवाज चेंज नहीं हो रही.
आवाज चेंज का सुनाई दे रहा नहीं दे रहा तुम लोगों को.
आवाज थोड़ा हैवी हो जाता है एंड थोड़ा सा अलग साउंड करता है.
मेरा भी
करता तो है.
Hello. I mean,
खुद को सुनाई दे रहा है.
echoing. हाँ, मतलब I can hear it.
उस टाइम पे हम
एक
लोग को
पॉइंट. हाँ, I can hear. Oh my god.
पर मुझे नहीं आपका सुनाई दे रहा अभी.
But मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है.
Exactly.
Like I can feel it. But we couldn't when you guys were talking.
Even on the video it's the same.
I can. Oh, it's so weird. It's so creepy.
मुझे भी सुनाई दे रहा है वैसे पर आपको खुद को दे रहा
हाँ, मुझे खुद को सुनाई दे रहा है अलग. But तुम लोगों को नहीं सुनाई दे रहा.
नहीं.
I'm in the
Catacombs.
but there's so many tombs and to be honest अभी मैं ग्रुप में हूँ so I'm feeling okay. अगर मैं अकेले आता तो
Yeah, I was just gonna ask you,
It's
are you
scary.
feeling creeped out?
it is a little creepy. But मैं ग्रुप में हूँ so I'm feeling okay.
Yeah.
अकेले तो नहीं आऊँगा.
Same.
जुन बना के चलो, जुन बना के चलो. मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं है बताने में कि मैं डरा हुआ हूँ.
They have some bones here that they found. Horse bones. Our guide just gave us a part of his lunch. It's a vegetarian falafel thing. I don't think this is shawarma.
Yeah, it's falafel.
कैसा है?
It's very nice.
After the citadel, I will invite you to like
काफी अच्छा है. सिर्फ थोड़ा ड्राई है. Like कुछ डिप होता तो मजा आता.
है लेकिन डिप होता तो मजा आता.
Okay, made it to location number 2.
Yes, so this is basically the Alexandria Library, which is built on the remains of the old Alexandria Library, which got destroyed in the fire during the Roman attack. So basically, this has over 8 million books. It's like one of the biggest libraries in the world. It also has 8 to 9 museums, which we might visit. Some of them are open, some of them are closed. And basically, it's built right next to the Alexandria University, so the students can also access it.
क्या cool library है और इतनी बड़ी है. The other section of the library.
So mom had a library before this, and I know that she's feeling nostalgic after coming to a library, especially such a big one as this. What do you feel?
Yeah, I'm very happy to see such a big library and the students studying here, the university students, and it's really a very useful thing. There should be more libraries in the world, in India also.
So you feeling very nostalgic? You want to
Yeah,
go and sit
absolutely.
behind the counter?
Yeah, I love books. I love to read.
Do you want to pick out a book from here?
Yeah, Shakespeare.
It's such a huge library. Really so cool. I think Aditya and I have discussed this in the past, like how we want a little room in our home someday to be a library.
Personal library, yeah.
So this is so fun, and Aditya was a big time voracious reader. Unfortunately, both of us don't
Left
read
the
as
habit,
much, and I feel like coming here has reignited that fire, and we're almost towards the end of
Yeah,
2024.
We need to get back to reading.
Great time to make resolutions.
So this has basically all the languages of the world. सब languages से यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कुछ ना कुछ.
Finally, we spotted it. I don't know why, but knocker लिखा है वहाँ पर, if you can tell. It's lunch time. Adi's loving his lunch. It's chicken, some pasta, and French fries. Done with lunch, and basically I feel like both of us forgot to mention that how have we made all the bookings. So usually we always just come here and then we figure it out, but then since we were told that Egypt mein it's better to like have bookings done and also have a group, and since we are traveling with our parents, we wanted to have like everything sorted in place.
मतलब we could not take a risk कि यहाँ पे आके figure out करे चीजें and them having to wait for longer durations because of that. So हमने सब पहले से preset itinerary ready करके travel agents के through booking करके सब जगह confirmation रख दिया.
So like we have a guide already always with us. We have a driver, like a mini bus with us. Our lunch is already booked. We've already paid for it. That's the situation basically in Cairo. It'll keep changing when we go to like different cities, and I'll keep updating you. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that when you come to Egypt, it is recommended that you have everything pre-booked. Whether it's true or not, we'll be able to tell you by the end of the trip.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is what we've chosen to do. Current situation. वहाँ पर कुछ और ही चल रहा है, कुछ ही Caught.
PDA in Egypt.
Guys, everyone. किधर जा रही है? इधर आ. How is the trip going so far?
Very historic.
Mayur bhai is enjoying the most with the history.
I love history. स्कूल पे कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया.
और अभी भी नहीं दे रहा है.
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है. मुझे तो
के 5 नाम बोलो. एक मैंने बोल दिया.
क्या इजिप्ट का क्या बोलो 5?
एक सेकंड गाड़ी को तो वो भी नहीं सुना रहेगा उसने कि
नहीं मुझे मालूम तो नहीं पर मुझे मालूम है उसके अलग अलग नाम है.
उसने कल बताया. ये दो बच्चे हैं ना ये बैक बेंचर थे.
आराम से फोन जीते जाए.
मेरी मम्मी का कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
And he's taking scenic shots of the Mediterranean Sea.
Gateway Citadel, finally. The last stop for the day. जबरदस्त जोरदार बाथरूम एरिया. एक नंबर. रैप चिक. सेल्फ क्लीनिंग. आप आके ट्राई करके देखिए. पिज्जा ओवन है इधर पे. पिज्जा बनाने का भूख लगे तो पिज्जा लेके. हाँ पिज्जा. काफी बड़ा फोर्ट है. यस डायरेक्टली डोर दिखता है यहाँ से. सो इफ इन केस दे वर अटैक्ड दे कुड डिफेंड देमसेल्व्स. सो ये स्पॉट पे आर्चर्स रेडी रखते थे वो लोग. 3 आर्चर्स बैक टू बैक जो यहाँ से डायरेक्ट एरोस फायर कर सकते हैं इन केस दे सी एनी एनिमी शिप्स और एनीवन इनसाइड द सिटाडेल कंपाउंड.
But it's so beautiful the view.
या
Wait for it keeps getting better. Also, why is it giving Marine Drive?
मरीन ड्राइव जैसा है तो सही. कुछ भी बोल लो. पत्थर भी वैसे ही टाइप के. तो ये वॉच टावर है जहाँ से वो लोग देखते थे कि अगर कोई आ रहा है कि नहीं. एंड अगर उनको होराइजन पे कोई भी शिप दिखी इट मींस कि दे हैव 1 डे बिफोर दैट शिप रीचेस हियर.
Okay.
एक दिन में वो लोग जितना प्रेप कर सकते थे वो कर सकते थे. इसके लिए ये एकदम इम्पोर्टेंट काम था.
Oh my God, Papa di. Yeah. Oh my God, Papa. I was so confident I would be able to.
मान ले.
अभी उतरने कैसे वाले अपन?
नीचे बैठ के करेंगे.
पप्पा ने धीरे कर दो. हाँ बैठ के मारो. एज के हिसाब से सब.
1 2 3.
आदि कहीं जाए
बारिश ना हो.
बारिश ना हो बट बहुत अमेजिंग वेदर है. लाइक इट्स कोल्ड. yeah she doesn't like it because it's windy so it's so cold but we're like nicely layered so it's all cool.
Took a short break to buy some beer for our 3-hour road trip back home.
यहाँ आए तो शॉर्मा नहीं खाया ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है.
फर्स्ट टाइम पे देख रहा हूँ ऐसा शॉट.
कटा हुआ शॉर्मा मिला है.
टेस्ट.
वैसे खाना है कि
डिप कर. Is it the best shawarma that you've ever had?
No. But this is nice.
Okay. My dad has ordered pancake. ये कुछ अलग ही हो रहा है इधर. It's looking more like a रुमाली रोटी पे पिज्जा.
रुमाली रोटी पिज्जा.
Skills man, mad skills. We were right. It was more like a pizza than a pancake, but बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और yummy लग रहा है. Dinner in the bus today. पप्पा केवुं છે? Okay.
मुझे तो अच्छा लगा.
कितना अच्छा लगा?
8.
Day is not over because we are here for this special kind of paper.
Yes, it's the first paper in the world. It's called papyrus, made by the Egyptians. So they have this basically like a papyrus store in which they have different kind of papyrus. जिसके ऊपर उन्होंने
Artwork है, बहुत ही
artworks
beautiful
किए हैं.
artwork है. They're going to show us how it's made and the meaning behind each artwork.
Yes, and you can take any of the designs home if you like them, and
Of
they also
course.
glow in the dark.
The papyrus tree. Oh, It's triangle from the bottom.
Yes, what you are saying.
Oh, just like the pyramids.
Okay, and then we will cut that into slices this way. Now it's very very strong and very very flexible. Here in the water, this normal water, for 1 week. 1 week here we will get that color, white paper. 2 weeks we will get that color, darker paper. Okay, and one like that, one vertical and one horizontal under the breath for 1 week again. Why? To stick together. It's from 5,000 years old. Amazing to see. My friend, I want to tell you something.
We can see these three pyramids worldwide.
Oh my god.
And the Egyptian Queen Nefertiti.
And this one आदित्य ने लिया है उसके नए रूम के लिए जो नेक्स्ट ईयर बनेगा. This is the hieroglyphic alphabets. I remember learning this when I was in 6th grade. Love it. So cool.
भावना के पैपिरस ने $150 का खर्चा करा.
$50 per person हमने खरीदा है, बट बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, ग्लो इन द डार्क है.
वो जो भी भाव बोलते तुम उस पर हमेशा बार्गेन कर सकते हो, याद रखना.
ट्रू.
Maddie finally going to her most favorite place. Yes. ये excited ने. Yes, it's a oils and perfumes वाला shop.
Look at this gorgeous room.
Gorgeous bottles.
Gorgeous bottles also, right?
Very nice.
इनका क्या चालू है क्या मालूम, बहुत अलग अलग चीजें. Wow.
To me also, one more time.
Maddie is in her.
What number? ये कौन सा number है? 19. अच्छा, वो heaven essence.
Very nice.
Let's go! Who would have thought that King could see Maddie dancing at 4:22 a.m.?
Time to go to the next location. Okay, so we are in Aswan. I'm so sorry, it was just too early in the morning for me to function. We left our hotel at like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that, and then we had to catch a flight. It was so tiring, and also the flight, we were traveling through Nile Airways. It was not a good flight, not clean. The washrooms were so dirty. But anyway, we've made it to Aswan, and the reason why we're here is because we have a cruise. As a family, we've never really went on a cruise, and we're going to be on the cruise for 3 days. Before we go on to our cruise, we're going on to a ship.
Yes.
What
We're going
for?
on to a boat.
A boat, sorry. What are we going for?
We're going to the Philae temple. तो वहाँ पे जाने के लिए you need to take a boat. That'll take you to the island where the temple is.
Sorry, थोड़ा chaos चल रहा है because just look at this. There's like a market.
यही लेने नहीं बोला उसने.
ये देखो कितना cool है सब.
मैडी, आधी.
No, that's you.
आधी. ये छोटा वाला आधी और बड़ी वाली मैं.
You got that half right.
Oh my god.
Just बस में उसने मुझे इतना जोर से आँख पे मारा, तभी अब जो भी इतना जोर से मारा, तभी बोला ठीक है नहीं मारा मारी होगा, तो भी वापस से भी वही.
गलती से मारा था मैंने.
Check out the jewelry. It's so cool. Oh yeah, I love the necklaces. It's so cool. And the kadas.
Girls have gone crazy.
मैं ऑलरेडी ये ले चुकी हूँ, but I am definitely gonna be buying more.
ये अभी हम फेरी में चढ़ रहे हैं, अपने गेटवे से मांडवा तक की फेरी. सब व्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं. ब्लॉगर 1, ब्लॉगर 2. यस.
The temple of Philae was a success. So I think both of us were, not both of us, I think mainly us, other than Aditya, were very tired because all of us are surviving on 3 hours of sleep.
Even I am, but I am more excited than
Yeah, of course, you're more excited, but it was so worth it. Itna beautiful hai. Time to go back. Hopefully to the cruise. I need to freshen up.
So since you want to freshen up and rush to the cruise, we won't be stopping for any kind of shopping. कुछ shopping होगा नहीं. Direct boat पे से cruise में जाएंगे. कोई shopping नहीं करेगा, बराबर?
हमेशा शॉपिंग कहीं भी आजू बाजू आ जाता ना आदित्य मेरा हाथ पकड़ लेता है I'm like oh so cute.
अरे बहुत टाइम जाता है.
No, and then I realize he doesn't want me to shop.
मौत को छू के टक से वापस आ सकता हूँ.
This is what our cruise looks like, and we are a little bit underwhelmed, I guess. Let's just say that. Aditya's pretty chill. He doesn't care, but Adu and I are little.
But I think let us go inside and see it first before giving such reactions.
I agree, but मतलब हम थोड़े hotel snobs हैं हमें like एकदम अच्छा बाथरूम एकदम अच्छा रूम
रहेगा रे मुझे नहीं लग रहा है.
देखते
तुम लोगों
हैं.
ने देख के वेरीफाई करके सिलेक्ट किया तुम दोनों.
फोटोज में कितना ही समझ में आता है यार. रोज 4 बजे उठा रहा है आदि. मुझे वेकेशन करना था, मुझे चिल करना था, कुछ नहीं करना था.
किया ना थोड़ा बहुत.
हिस्ट्री क्लास में बैठना पड़ रहा है. एक तो हमारा गाइड अगर मैं सुनती नहीं तो बार बार मुझे बुला के सुनाता है.
Good morning guys. We were sleeping throughout the whole 3-hour journey to Abu Simbel. We left at around 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 8:30 and we are finally here. We've been really tired क्योंकि रोज 3 बजे उठना पड़ रहा है रात को. But ठीक है अभी. Abu Simbel is definitely worth it. It's one of the prettiest temples that I've ever seen online. अभी उसका हिस्ट्री उसका पूरा डिटेल्स आर टूर गाइड विल एक्सप्लेन टू अस व्हिच आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू गाइस इन सम टाइम.
सो हम एग्जैक्ट आबू सिंबल के आगे खड़े हैं एंड वाज इट वर्थ इट ट्रैवलिंग टोटल 6 hours?
100%.
Yeah, I agree.
It's a super pretty temple.
It really
carved
is.
out of a mountain.
I feel like right after the pyramids and the Sphinx, this is my favorite. Maybe as good as those two also, I feel. And the history. Yeah, I know. And the story. आज का हमारा गाइड बहुत अच्छा है by the way. तो मैं आज पूरा सुन रही थी, सब कुछ सुन रही थी जो भी वो बता रहा था. But story is so beautiful. Like it was the way it's made is just insane. And also not just the story wise, but also visually, architecturally, aesthetically, it's so beautiful and it's so big. So yeah.
Marvel of engineering at that time especially.
Yep. So basically this is the innermost part of the temple and जो left वाला आपको दिख रहा है that is the god of darkness. And
So उन्होंने ऐसा बनाया है ये टेम्पल कि बाकी सब पे डायरेक्ट बाहर से सनलाइट थ्रू द पैसेजवे फॉल करेगा बट नॉट ऑन हिम बिकॉज इज द गॉड ऑफ डार्कनेस. एंड ऑन 2 days जब वो रामसेस का बर्थडे एंड कोरोनेशन है वो टाइम पे एग्जैक्ट सनरेज इनको प्रॉपर हिट करेगा
except the last one.
एक्सेप्ट द लास्ट टाइम. बट वो टाइम पे ये टाइप का इंजीनियरिंग करना कि ऐसा कैसा पॉसिबल है कि उसके ऊपर लाइट ही नहीं है. इट्स टू गुड. सो इन लोग में ऐसा रहता है दैट यू कैन मेक लाइक अ माउंट ऑफ 4, 6, 8 stones or whatever and make a wish while placing those stones. So हम वो कर रहे हैं अभी. हमें गाड़ी में से बाहर के साइड मिराज दिख रहा है.
First time life में मिराज दिखा.
Basically you can see water when there is no water there actually.
Yeah,
but
it's
ऐसा
an
लग रहा
illusion.
है. Yeah, it's an illusion. but ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो पूरा वहाँ पे पानी है. I don't know कैमरा में आएगा कि नहीं. देख ट्राई कर कैमरा में दिखेगा.
नहीं आएगा.
थोड़ा सा
I think थोड़ा सा you can see on camera, but what you are seeing, the reflection wala part is not water. So that's mirage basically.
So finally our cruise has started moving and we are on our way to a few other different locations which you will see coming up.
So basically it's the same day, okay? Like सुबह सुबह हम उठ के गए वापस आए and now today is when the ship sailed. कल रात से it was stationary, right? So अभी हमें पता चला that we have the worst rooms possible. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but the room is shaking and it's loud, literally loud. The doors are opening and closing. So another day, another time to change our rooms. I don't know what is happening. ये trip को नजर लग गई है या I don't know what we did wrong on our part. I really don't know. Same bro. But the good thing is the silver lining. Let's look at that. हमें अपग्रेड करके दे रहे हैं स्वीट में, बट हम 4 लोग वो एक रूम में एक बाथरूम के साथ शेयर करेंगे, बट इट्स बेटर देन दिस
ये खत्म नहीं होता बे
फॉर द 100th टाइम पैकिंग एंड अनपैकिंग।
ऑलरेडी इस ट्रिप में 3 चेंजेस थे हमारे स्टे के। ऑलवेज ट्रेडिंग की 3 बार पैक करो अनपैक करो, ये तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है।
अभी कुछ और ही सीन हो रहा है हमारे साथ। ये देखो कितना पास आ गए हमारा बोट दूसरे बोट से। इन लोग के बोट से फिश फ्राई का स्मेल आ रहा है, मस्त। इन लोग के रूम्स देखो गाइस कितने अच्छे हैं।
सिर्फ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टाइल डाल देना, मैडी खुश, और कुछ नहीं।
ये कारपेट है, पागल है, गाढ़ा।
सेविंग ग्रेस,
एक और बना दूं ना,
लिटरल सेविंग ग्रेस।
मेरे इस पे तो जाने ही नहीं वाला था ये वीडियो, या बीच रास्ते में स्विच किया किसी ने तो कि अभी वीडियो मृदुल पे मेरे को नहीं डालना है, मेरे को मृदुल पे डालना है। मैंने बोला ठीक है अभी, बट बीच रास्ते से यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट मी टू डायरेक्टली कॅच अप, मेरे को भी थोडा प्रेप चाहिए ना।
तू रडत होतास ना, माझा काहीच
नाही मी काय रडत नव्हतो। हे क्या हुआ? You want some water?
Beer's good bro.
ए रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना। नहीं सुके।
ओके, सो अभी हम डेक पे बैठे हैं ऊपर ऑन द क्रूज। बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है और कोई भी नहीं है पूरे डेक पे, पर हमको यहीं पे बैठना है, पता नहीं क्यों, क्योंकि वाइब है सब एकदम
मजा आ रहा है।
पूरे इक्विप्ड है,
पूरे एकदम
पूरे गियर में।
थर्मल वगैरह पहन के, सब थर्मल से कपड़े गर्म हो गए, इससे अंदर का गर्म हो गया, सब एकदम सेट।
एक बार बेटा डेक दिखाओ पूरा।
पूरा डेक खाली है, कोई भी नहीं है।
बाबा हेल्पिंग यू व्लॉग।
अभी ये करेंगे, डिनर करेंगे और फिर सो जाएंगे। कल का हमने सुबह एक टेंपल का विजिट था, बट हमने कैंसिल किया क्योंकि वी कैन नॉट विजिट अनदर टेंपल एट 3 o'clock in the morning, तो हम लोग वो टेंपल स्किप करेंगे एंड देन परसों डायरेक्टली कर्नाक टेंपल जाएंगे या टेंपल ऑफ लक्सर जाएंगे। तो आई थिंक कोई तो अरेबिक म्यूजिकल चेयर चालू है, बट विद द स्पून, ऐसा कुछ तो चालू है, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर। लेट्स सी। मयूर भाई तो ऑलरेडी नींद में है, अभी कभी यहाँ पे सो सकते हैं।
A few minutes later. The next day.
तो फिर क्यों चिल्ला रही है? वही तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं। Stupid.
Good morning. Continues. Oh no.
Today is World Short People Day.
सच्ची?
Congratulations आदि।
So everyone respect Adu today, okay? इतना भोला सा मासूम सा गोलगप्पा।
क्यों? सेकंड बच्चा क्यों किया मेरे पेरेंट्स?
उधर रूम में उनके जाके पूछ के। So Maddie, tell us more about your outfit.
So basically, today is a chill day, finally, okay? So tell me you're on a chill trip without telling me you're on a chill trip, okay? So basically I'm wearing a trench coat to hide what's underneath it. So I'm wearing track pants, जो night dress के, top, trench coat to hide everything. Look at my cool shoes. So I'm actually wearing socks, जिसके ऊपर hotel room के slippers, and then beer in my pocket. It's for my dad. So that's my look for today. Chill vibes.
Very nice, lovely.
So basically, if you can see, ये bridge के सामने we can't really cross right now. So ये जो नाइल का पानी है, they'll lower नाइल का पानी so that we can pass through the canal.
देखो ना वो प्लेटफॉर्म नीचे ऊपर जा रहा है, अपन नीचे
कम हो रहा है level. If you concentrate on the yellow line,
we are going down.
We are going down right now.
अगर तुम्हें कुछ बेचना है पूरी हिम्मत से और पूरी जिद से, तो तुम कहीं भी बेच सकते हो। तो ये यहाँ से जो क्रूज के ऊपर रहते हैं लोग, कस्टमर्स यहाँ पे, उनको बेचते हैं, एंड अगर कुछ पसंद है तो देखो ऐसा थ्रो करते हैं। वाओ, सेल्समैन 100, सेल्समैन ऑफ द ईयर।
Belly dancing.
वो लोग ने ना जबरदस्ती ऊपर फेंक दिया चीजें।
अरे सलमान बोल दिया. No.
Risking my life and trusting my sister.
पास करूँ क्या?
मेरी आँख बंद है.
Don't try this at home. We are docked at Luxor and exact cruise के सामने एक बहुत अच्छा गार्डन लग रहा है जहाँ पे हमारे पेरेंट्स ऑलरेडी घूमने गए हैं, तो हम अभी उनके पीछे जा रहे हैं. इट लुक्स लाइक यहाँ का नाना नानी पार्क काइंड ऑफ इश. तो वी विल एक्सप्लोर द नाना नानी पार्क. बहुत भी ठंड नहीं है और अच्छा खासा ठंड है. इट्स प्लेजेंट. आई हैव माय कापूस इन माय ईयर्स.
मेरे को तो सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा उधर
तो तेरे सुनने के लिए नहीं है, ब्लॉग के लिए. एनीवे तो अभी जस्ट हम ब्लॉग
सॉरी
करेंगे.
मुझे थोड़ा हेडेक है, सो लिटिल यू नो लो.
या और मयूर भाई सो गए, सिर्फ आदू इज विद अस एंड वी विल फाइंड आवर पेरेंट्स एंड चिल विद देम. कमेंट बॉक्स में बताओ इसमें से कौन सा मैडी जैसा लगता है सबसे ज्यादा. आई थिंक थर्ड वन लुक्स अ लॉट लाइक मैडी. एक मैजिक शो चालू है रात को जस्ट एज एन एंटरटेनमेंट. इतने सारे लोग तेरे को मैं ही मिलता हूँ क्या?
भाई साहब ये किस लाइन में आ गए आप?
So before we move on to our next stop, एक क्विक रिव्यू कर देते हैं ये क्रूज का.
So I feel like average था ये cruise. Like it wasn't great, but it wasn't like the worst either. I will say that the people there really made up for everything that we were going through. Like for example, हमारा food का थोड़ा सा issue था. Like they didn't have a lot of options for us, but they went out of their way to like make special stuff for us. They asked us what they wanted to eat. They tried their best.
हॉस्पिटैलिटी वाज टॉप नॉच. मतलब वो बहुत अच्छा था. हॉस्पिटैलिटी इन लोग का, सब लोग बहुत अच्छे थे, बहुत स्वीट थे.
बहुत अच्छे थे. Like they saw us eating cucumber, so एक पूरा प्लेट भर के cucumber लेके आ गए. सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो गया था, तो भी अंदर से सॉरी वो लोग एक्स्ट्रा खाना लेके आए. तो लोग इन जनरल आई फील लाइक इन इजिप्ट द पीपल रियली मेक द प्लेस लाइक एवरीवन हैज बीन सो नाइस एंड सो लवली टू अस. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्रूज,
इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कैबिन एवरेज है काफी, कुछ इतना खास नहीं है.
2.5 out of 5.
या एंड एक चीज याद रखना कि अगर तुम्हें एंड के रूम्स मिल रहे हैं तो वो बहुत वाइब्रेट करेंगे बिकॉज इंजन के एग्जैक्ट ऊपर रहते हैं वो. तो वो मेक श्योर जब भी शिप सेल कर रहेगा यू विल फील दैट नॉइज एंड द वाइब्रेशन. So
and that is applicable to any cruise that you go to.
वो तो होता ही
so
है.
make sure that you know make that sure.
So overall we would say like it was a 2.5 on 5 kind of experience.